For this one, you can see it is also 3 layers. For this item, the item number is CJ. CJ is 502C3C. For this item, the size is 50 by 25 centimeters, and the height is 72. For this item, the post size is also 14. But this finish is different with the second one. This one, the finish is powder coating, and the color is black. For this item is with the wheels. For this wheel, you can see, and this is the narrow wheel. The size is 1 inch. You can see. For this item, the loading capacity is also 30 kilos per share. It's same with the second one. But for this item, it's different. The finish is powder coating. It's different with the second one. For the powder coating items, you can see there's powder coating. Yes. And for the powder coating products, it is good for the dry and wet environment. For this item, you can put in the kitchen, for your home kitchen, or also you can put in other place, like living room or bedroom or bathroom. This is okay. You can see, and the wheels is easy to move. For the wheels, it has 2 pieces with rocker and 2 without rock. You can see it's move easy, like this. It's easy to move. You can see. Oh. So, and I will show you the next one.